It's cold outside and I wanted to have something hot. And what better way than to have soups? So here comes a delicious keto recipe. It's a fully loaded peanut soup which I have served with on a bed of cauliflower rice. You're going to just love it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So let's begin with the keto fully loaded peanut soup. So let's begin with the fully loaded peanut soup. For this I'm going to heat a kadai or a pan, drop some oil into it. Some finely chopped ginger goes into it. Some garlic goes into it and saute it. Lightly sauteing has to be done. Now I'm dropping some onion. Since you can't have more onion, little quantity of onion will give the perfect sweetness to this peanut soup. Now I'm going to add the brinjals. Those are chopped brinjals into it with the skin. And here comes the pumpkin. Well, pumpkin, bottle gourd are some of the veggies which my family don't enjoy so much, and that is the way I incorporate into my diet. And this is the trick I would like to share with you all. Even please try to incorporate those veggies which your family don't enjoy much but they are good for health in soups or in mixed veggies. So what happened? They eat those veggies. They get the nutritional benefits of those veggies even. Add some salt in it. That will help to tenderize the vegetables. Just saute it a bit. And I'm going to cover and cook until it becomes tender. It will almost take about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I'm going to just remove the lid and I'm going to just see if it's tender or not. Now I'm adding the mushrooms into it. Just saute it and again cover and cook for 5 minutes. And now it's done. Adding some water into it. Yes, soup has to be, it should be soupy. So for that I need to add water into it. I'm going to let the water boil. So now comes the vegetables which do not need much time to cook. So here I am dropping some broccoli, adding some colors like spinach goes into it. You can add colorful capsicums even. And here I am dropping some tomato puree into it. Just give it a mix. Some delicious unsweetened peanut butter goes into it, which would add a beautiful flavor and also thickness to my soup. Yes, this peanut butter will give the actual thickness required in the soup. Just stir it. As it starts boiling, it will start thickening. Add some red chili powder goes into it. Some turmeric powder which will add color to it, and just give it a magic mix. See, beautifully done. I'm just letting it cook for another 5 minutes. And now comes the tasting time. Let me see if the salt and other ingredients are perfect or not. And it is super delicious. So I know if I can make this, you too can make it. It's so simple and so easy. So my soup is done and now I'm going to serve it. Dropping some steamed cauli-rice. This is nothing but the cauliflower grated or finely chopped. You can use cabbage even, you can use pumpkin even, whatever vegetable or zucchini even. You can make rice out of so many things. And here comes the fully loaded peanut soup. You can also call it a mixed vegetable with peanut gravy. Isn't it looking gorgeous? It is a perfect recipe to fulfill all your hunger. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.